How are you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale this lovely Ducati Supersport S. 937cc, loads of torque, pretty light as well, just a fantastic bike all around. So this one is a 2017 on a 67 plate. It's absolutely gorgeous, super nice. It's only done 7,508 miles. With the S, you get front and rear Ohlins suspension, you get Brembo brakes, Brembo master cylinder, a couple of different power modes, Quickshifter, adjustable traction, adjustable ABS. Real fun bike to ride. This one has been fitted with an aftermarket Ducati carbon exhaust. We do have the standard as well if you prefer that. Let's give it a quick start up. I would do. Ring gear. And there she is, sounds fantastic, looks fantastic. Has been fit with motor graphics kit on the front of it as well, just to keep it extra protected. But there she is. If you want to get a bought, get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.